So welcome back guys. Today I am here to solve a deep equation which I was solving and I just solved by my own with the help of the previous related question. So I am want to explain my strategy what I have used to solve this question. You will find many of the solution out there with the different YouTubers, but I want to explain my strategy to you. So if you want to, you can watch this video. So, it will be simple solution. First of all, the question is that shortest common subsequence. First of all, I will explain you what do you mean by this problem. As in this question, you have given two string S1 and S2. You have to combine these two string and you have to combine in this way that the string which been combined should have the shortest length. So that both the string subsequence of the both string should be lie in that long string. What do you understand it? Let me show you by illustrations. I was just recording this video, but I was not able to record the volume audio, so I'm recording this again. No problem at all. First of all, okay, I have a string A B A C and string 2. Wait a minute, I have to see with the example C A B. Okay, C A B. So what do you mean if I'm combining both the string together? As I will just add or concatenate this both string ABAC and CAB. As the answer is ABAC and CAB. Sorry for the order. Okay. So you can see that I can find ABAC and CAB in this string, but the question is not satisfied with this solution. Why? Because this string can be more small as the question want. As you can reduce the string as ABAC and CAB, as you can reduce by writing this as BAC and CAB. CAB. You can write CABAC. This can be the answer too, because you can find the string ABAC here, and you can find CAB here. So what you are seeing that I have to reduce this whole big string to a small string. Okay, so how you can do this? As ABAC and CAB, the big this if you're solving the longest common subsequent, then only you can solve this question. If you don't know how to solve the longest common subsequence, so it will be a bit difficult, but you can easily solve this question. Okay, so what is the intuition for this question? If you think normally, what I can do, if I have to make the string small, I will just delete the common elements, common characters from both string or the single string and then combine. Means I will just remove the longest common subsequence, as the longest common subsequence means common elements in both the strings. So what will be the longest common subsequence? I can find this, it's AB. Now I will remove from one of the string. I just remove. I will just add CABAC. So you can just find it easily. Okay. If I just take my name Yaman and JAIN Jen. If I just to combine this both string, how will I combine? As I will just find common sequence AN. I will just remove YAM JAIN, as I can find YAMAN Yaman JIN. So this will be my answer. But okay, you have cleared what you have to think. You have to just find this longest common subsequence. Then you have to delete from one of the string. Okay. Now, if you are doing this as you have a array strings s1 as one three what I'm saying a c and s2 as 3 a b c a. If you are finding only the common sequence and deleting as if you delete a c a, okay, so a c a c a b c a b, so this is the subsequence longest a c a. If you delete b, if I'm deleting from this and I'm adding this a c b a b, so this is the string I would be getting, but this is not the right answer. So what I'm doing, I'm getting this string by using my intuition. Before I was trying to a simple technique, but by this technique you can just move ahead and think like that. First of all, find the longest common subsequence. Okay, as you have used a tabulation method, okay, as you're using the tabulation method, or you have done this question with the help of tabulation method, so what you will getting, as I'm just taking a string as okay, this string only I'm taking the small string for the small demonstration, then we will just move forward towards the code as a b c a, okay, a b c and c a b. So this is our string, and we will just 1 2 3, and this is string, and 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, so first of all, when we are initializing, we have to initialize this table as first of all c a b and a, sorry, I will use a different color, a b c a. Okay, so first I will initialize this. Now my code will work like that. If for loop int I equals to 1 and I is smaller than m, and m is equals to size of s plus 1, size of s plus 1 and I plus plus, for loop int j 1 j n, and n is size of s2 plus 1, n is size of s2 plus 1. It's not the size, I've just increased because as I have to make this array or the dp for the index, as you know, I have to just increase the size of this as it's from 0 indexing. I have to use the 3 also. If I will just initialize the dp with the size of this, so what will be the size of this string? It's 3. If I will initialize, so my index is by like b is 1 2, so I will able to use only 2, but I have to use 3, so I initialize with the plus 1. I hope it's clear as you are doing the dp just now. These are the basic things which when we are declaring the tabulation method or the memorization. So now what I have to do, I will just check. My index is, I am starting from 0 0 or 1 1 1 1. Now check if s1 I minus 1 is equals to s2 j minus 1, means I will just check that the indexes I minus 1, I is 1, I am here, but I can't map this both because it's a string and a string has the indexing from 0 1 2 3. Okay, So I will just minus 1 and I will move backward. Okay, I will just minus 1. I am on C and I am on A. Are these equal? No, obviously. So I will just move to the else condition. What's the L condition? What the L condition is dp of I and j is equals to max of dp of I minus 1 or j and dp of I j minus 1. Okay, so what's the dp of I minus 1? dp I minus 1 here, and this both maximum it's 0. Now I move ahead. Are these same? C and B? I can take the different. Are these same? No, these are not same, so we will take 0. And maximum is the maximum is 0. Okay, now I will move ahead. C and C, yes, they are equal. So what I will do, I will just dp of I will store the answer at here, I and j plus 1. I think this is not visible to you. Okay, and I will just move both of my, I will just store here, and I will just minus minus, because I will just store, I will just add the longest the previous answer and add 1. So the previous answer is 0, so I will add 1 here. 0 plus 1 1. Now I will just uh, fill up the whole thing. As the array maximum is 1, I will just fill it. Okay, now this match, yes, this match, yes, this maximum, maximum 1, yes, match, max 2. So this 2 we have added. B no match, but maximum. B match, yes, 2 max, 2 B no. So the answer is this. Okay, now R, the whole table is here. Now what we have to do, at, what do you mean by this? As I am just making this clean, as this will mean dirty. Okay, okay, so what do you understand by this string, this table? As when you're standing on B and A, means this is the full string which I'm talking about, and which these are the string which are given. So we are just finding that what is the longest subsequence in this. As this answer is 2, that is correct. We have already found that ABC and ABACA and CAB, the longest is AB, and this is the string length is 2. Okay, now good, very good. I hope this much you have understand. That's I have not explained you anything which you don't know already, because this is only the simple longest common subsequence. Now the main tasks begin here. We are standing over here now. I'm just using the color pen now. Now we are standing over here. Okay, now I will check if this both match. If they both match, so I will just push the string. Okay, means I am using integer where I equals to m plus 1, means here means m is already defined, so I'm just initializing there. Now n. Okay, okay, this much is clear. As I am standing over here, this syntax, while I will just use the while loop, and I will just reduce, see that if it should not equals to 0 and j should not equals to 0, I will show you why I am doing this. This is my base condition. Now if I will see that if string 1's I minus 1 is equals to s2 j minus 1, means this is equals to this. So what I will do, and else this is not equal, else what I will do. Okay, now what do you mean by when you're standing here and what are these are the same answer which we have used here. You can see this code here, you can see that these are the same one that this is greater, which one is greater are being stored the answer as 2 is greater in the both, maximum number is 2 as 2 is stored here. Now as the condition is like that, if you are not these characters are not matching, so you will move to one of any one of the column. Either you will move here, either you move here. Let us see, let us assume that we are moving towards minus I, or this is I and this is j, so we are using minus I. Okay, so our else condition is if dp I minus and j is greater dp I j minus 1, so we will move this side, as this is greater, I minus 1 is greater, so we will move this side. Okay, we are moving this side, so we will minus I. Now what you have to do, okay, what you have to do, you have to just store, you have to print the longest string. So I will just take an variable string ans. I will just take the string ans. Now I will just push answer string push back to s1 as I is rated to s1 minus 1 I, as it is already reduced, so I will just move here. Now what you will do, I will just explain you 1 minute. I will just complete the code because it's been a long video. I was not expecting that I would take this much time to explain it. So now what you can see that if I am standing here means these are not common in my string, so I will just add 1 as I am just leaving this, so I will add a here in the answer string. Okay, a here, and I am just moved here. Okay, now I can see that this is also and this also not matching, so I will move to the maximum one and I am leaving this one, so I will just add here C. Okay, now see I have added. Now I will see that these are matching. I will just move, add one string. I will just add one string. I will move here and I will just move backward here because I am just moving minus 1 and minus 1 in the both, because I have just added this. As you can see that I have just come from minus 1 I and minus ji. Okay. Okay. Now where I have just added B. Now again I will check which is the smallest one. I will just move here and I will just add here A. Now I have just added here A. Now I have just moved waves to the base condition. Till now my string is ABAC, ABCA, but you can see that the string is not completely printed because I have just not emptied the J, as I've just entered J, but my index is here at I. Means I'm just trying to say that as I was moving within this loop, my condition this is true or false, so this is not completed, this is true, means I have to just move through for the next string. Means my string is not completed emptied yet for the second one. So I will just uh, write an while loop here. For that, j is smaller or greater than 0. So I will write pushback s2 j minus minus, as I will just introduce also. And for same for I. Okay, so this is the final code. I will show you on the VS Code. Okay, so you can see that as this is my simple subsequence code. From here you can see that I've just tried to use the base condition while loop. Then what I've done, I've just put the answer when these both are equal. Then I've just printed for debugging. Now I've just checking that is which one is smaller. So I will just push, then push again. Then I have just to use the while loop for the rest over string. Then I have just revert the string, because we are traversing from back, as this is from the reverse order BAC. Okay, you can understand that. Okay, so this code I will submit it. So this is successfully accepted. So thank you guys, was my first video of any explaining any question. I know I have some difficulty to explain you, but I hope I will just improve myself and give you the nice content. Thank you. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.